Okay, in this video we're going to be checking out the 3B-R 1408 3200 kV motors. They are also available in other kV editions. Check the links in the description for the other kVs. I think the 4000 kV is available as well. Pretty nice looking motor. All the BBB or 3B-R motors are always very nice looking. The motor wires are a little on the shorter side. We got some 20 gauge motor wire, and it looks like about we got about 3 inches of motor wire there, so it should be fine on the 4-inch build that I'm going to be putting this on. I'll be swapping out the motors on my America 4-inch, which has currently the HGLRC 1407 3600 kV motor, so I'm going to go to a little bit bigger motor, the 1408, so you can see it's a little bit taller stator and a little bit lower kV, so it should do pretty well on the 4-inch prop for this particular frame. But I just wanted to show you the motor before I mount it, and obviously it's going to be a little hard to see after that. It doesn't look like it has a hollow shaft, so a solid core shaft there. They are sold in sets of 2 like this. You can't buy just one motor. You get the prop nut and some mounting screws. The magnets look pretty decent. The air gap looks pretty decent. I mean, overall looks nice. It doesn't look like these are curved magnets. I believe they're M52H magnets, and the windings are multi-stranded. It is not an open bottom design. It's a traditional bottom design. And then on top here you have a 5-spoke design here. You can kind of see what the motor looks like from this angle. And I'll just give you a weight measurement with the wire and no prop nut. It's coming in at about 16.4 grams. Okay, I'm flying the America 4-inch with the BBB 1408 3200 kV motors. The only thing I've changed on this setup is the motors. Everything else is the same as the last flight. So just click the card in the corner if you want to see the flight on the HGLRC 1407 motors. It seems about the same as before, maybe a little bit slower. Yeah, the top end's a little bit less, obviously, because of the lower kV. We're going from a 3600 kV from before, and now we're at 3200 kV, but a little bit bigger motor. I think the top end's going to be a little bit less, but I think it's going to have a little bit more low end torque with the bigger stator size. But the motors are fairly similar, so I'm not sure if you're going to be noticing that much of a difference. I've got the same tune on here. Yeah, the top end I can tell is definitely a little bit less, but on the low end it seems like it's got a little bit more grunt. Props seem just as responsive. I can hear a little bit of prop oscillation there. So tuning might need to be adjusted just a tad. Yeah, I'm really burning this battery big time here at about 1.5 minutes. So I think this one might get maybe a little bit less flight time. It's a bigger stator, but the kV is lower, so I'm not exactly sure. All right, I'm at 2.5 minutes. It definitely needs a different tune from before. I can hear more prop oscillations now. It's not bad. You don't really see it in the video, you just hear it in the props. Probably just need to lower the P gain a little bit. Okay, the battery is dead now. Huge voltage drop there. Right at the end at 3 minutes.